Good Friday morning, everybody. We have quite an active period coming up for the next couple of days here, at least, especially as we go through tonight and even in through Saturday. So we'll time some of these things out that could occur as we head in with this next weather system here. Thunderstorms likely to invade the area, especially later on this evening. It does appear most of us will stay dry early this evening, so I think we'll be able to get those football games in. But beyond 8 o'clock or so, could see some widespread thunderstorm activity with a frontal boundary in the area, and some of these could actually contain some heavy rainfall, believe it or not. Looking at maybe some areas picking up close to 2-3 inches perhaps by the time this is all said and done. That'll continue into Saturday morning, and then we watch for Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, when we could get a few stronger storms into the mix. This is something that we really haven't seen in a number of weeks, at least in terms of any severe weather across our area. Right now, the severe weather risk for today is a level 1. It's a marginal, and that covers the entire area. As we head in towards your Saturday, though, notice that expands more to the east. Still a marginal here, but further to the southwest, there is a slight risk, and we'll just kind of have to wait and see if that gets expanded to the northeast here. Have to wait and see if those dynamics end up coming together. Now, as we go into tomorrow, I think that's the higher risk day out of the 2 days, and the timing on that is between 3 in the afternoon and 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. The primary threats are going to be large hail damaging wind. Also had to bump up the flooding category because we're going to have a lot of moisture for these storms to work with, and they will likely produce some very torrential downpours as they move through the area again late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night, as when we run the risk for some of those stronger storms. Now, how much rainfall? Well, look at the bullseye centered basically right over the area, and this goes through Sunday morning rather, up to 2.5 inches, maybe isolated 3 inches amounts, not out of the question with these storms. Again, there's an unusually high amount of moisture that's going to be in the area, making these efficient heavy rain producers. Much of the other parts of the area too could experience up to 2 inches of rain by Sunday morning. Temperatures will be a little bit warmer today. We will push into the low 70s because we'll have a strong southerly breeze much of the day. Again, we're timing those rain chances for later today, especially into the evening hours. And then watch what our temperatures do as we head throughout the next week here. Good chance of rain again for your Saturday. A little bit warmer yet, highs up to 75. Much cooler for Sunday. Temperatures only in the upper 50s, and it will be windy. Winds gusting up to 20 miles per hour, maybe even 25 miles per hour at times. Down into the 30s for Sunday night. Frigidly cold there. And then really remaining somewhat cool to start next week, though we do see a gradual warming trend getting us back into the 70s by about next Thursday. Little to no chances for rainfall as we head through much of next week.